Let's solve homework exercise number 30 from section 9.1. We're supposed to determine which is the longer river by how many kilometers. Yangtze is 3940 and Mississippi is 6,240. Okay, so we're going to determine which is the longer river by how many kilometers. So since we got to give our answer in kilometers, we're going to go ahead and change the Yangtze River 3,940 miles into kilometers. So 3,940 miles. Now, we want to convert to kilometers. If you remember from previous problems, the conversion is 1.6 kilometers for every 1 mile, okay, 1.6 kilometers. So notice the 1.6 is in the numerator, so that tells us we're going to multiply. So we'll take 3,940 multiplied by 1.6, which will give us a number of kilometers for the first river. 3,940 times 1.6 gives us 6,304. Now, the Mississippi is 6,240, so 6,240 minus the Yangtze, 6,304, and we get a difference of, oh, sorry, the Yangtze is bigger, so actually if you do it the other way, probably more appropriate, but we know it's going to be positive. 6,304 minus the Mississippi, 6,240. Okay, and we get positive 64, so that means the Yangtze, of course, is the longer river, and it's by 64 kilometers. All right, very good. Number 31. The approximate heights of the two world's tallest mountains are given. Determine which is a taller mountain and by how many meters. So the first one, which I'm not going to try and pronounce, is 7,884 meters. The second one is in feet, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to convert to meters. Now, so we're going to have to work, so we're going to have to take 25,500 and, well, let's get that number right, 25,574 feet. Now, we want to convert to meters. Notice we're going to first go to centimeters, okay, because we don't have a straight conversion. So remember, there was, the conversion is 30.48 centimeters for every 1 foot, and then we'll do a metric conversion from centimeters to meters, okay? So from previous problems or in your textbook, there are 30.48 centimeters in every foot. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and multiply these two numbers to get the number of centimeters. So we have 25,000 okay, 25,574 times 30.48. Okay, and we get 779,495.52, and again, remember, this is centimeters now, right? We used a dimensional analysis to convert feet to centimeters. Now notice, we want everything in meters, okay? Centimeters, it's the unit, and then it's deci, and then centi for centimeters. So it's 1, 2, well, we have centimeters, so it's 1, 2 jumps to the left. So 779,495.52, 2 jumps to the left, 1, 2, will give us 7794.9552 meters. Okay, we're converting centimeters to meters, moving the decimal place over 2 places. Now, this is nearest meter, so what we'll do is we'll round this off to 7795.9, 7794.9, 7795. So this one is 7795 meters. This one, 7884, is bigger. So then we're going to say, so we know the first one is the one that's bigger. That is by, and again, we'll do the subtraction to see how many, by how many meters. So the first one is 7,884. Subtract the second one, 7,795 when we convert it to meters. And the difference is 89. So the tallest mountain is the first one by approximately 89 meters. Okay? So we had to convert feet to centimeters, centimeters to meters. All right, question number 32. The average rainfall amounts of the two world's wettest places are given. Determine which location has the greatest average rainfall by how many inches. Okay? So again, by how many inches? So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the Henderson Lake in inches, and we got to convert millimeters. Now notice, we have a metric to English conversion of 1 inch. If you open up click on the icon for English to metric conversions, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Okay, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So first we'll convert millimeters to centimeters. Now notice it's the unit, and then it's decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. So millimeters to centimeters is 1 jump to the left. So 10,272 millimeters, 1 unit, 1 jump to the left will give us 1,027.2 centimeters. Okay? That will be the equivalent centimeters for the big bog in Hawaii. Now we're going to convert to inches. So 1,027.2 centimeters. And again, we want to convert to inches. What do we have here? For every 1 inch, there are 2.54 centimeters. Okay? So that means we're going to, the 2.54 is in the denominator, so we're going to divide, right? So we're going to take 1,027.2 divided by 2.54. Okay, 1,027.2 divided by 2.54 will give us the number of inches for the big bog, and then we can compare it to Henderson Lake. So if we do that on our calculator, (1,027.2) divided by 2.54, and we get 404.4, so rounded off will be 404. So big bog is 404, okay, minus Henderson in Canada, 262. So the difference is 142. So the average rainfall is greater in Big Bog, and the average rainfall is greater by 142 inches. All right, very good. That takes care of all the problems in section 9.1. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswierz@hodges.edu, TSWIERSZ, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.